Ever wondered if your investments are just floating in the digital ether, left to the whims of the market, or if there's an actual pilot at the controls? Specifically, when it comes to platforms like Spaceship, the question on many minds is Spaceship actively managed? Let's dive in. Because, honestly, the answer isn't as straightforward as a simple yes or no. The world of investment management is a complex landscape, and understanding where Spaceship fits within it requires a bit of unpacking. First, let's establish some context. When we talk about actively managed funds, we're referring to investments where a portfolio manager or team makes decisions about what assets to buy and sell, aiming to outperform a specific market benchmark. They're actively trying to beat the market. Think of it like a skilled navigator constantly adjusting the ship's course to avoid storms and find the best routes. On the flip side, we have passively managed funds, often called index funds or ETFs. These funds track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. There's minimal human intervention, and the goal is to replicate the index's performance, not to beat it. It's more like setting the ship on autopilot and letting it follow a predetermined course. Now, where does Spaceship fit into this picture? Spaceship offers a range of investment portfolios, and the management style varies depending on the specific portfolio. Some of their portfolios are built around thematic investing, which often involves a degree of active selection. They identify trends and invest in companies that align with those trends. This requires a level of analysis and decision-making that leans towards active management. However, it's crucial to understand that even within these thematic portfolios, the approach might not be as hands-on as traditional active management. Spaceship often utilizes algorithms and data analysis to inform their investment decisions, blending elements of both active and passive approaches. This hybrid model allows them to respond to market changes while maintaining a degree of efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Then, there are the Spaceship Index Tracking Portfolios, which, as the name suggests, are designed to mirror specific market indices. These portfolios are clearly passive, operating on the principle of replicating market performance rather than trying to outperform it. So, to answer the initial question, is Spaceship actively managed? The answer is, it depends. Certain portfolios within Spaceship's offerings incorporate elements of active management, particularly their thematic portfolios, while others are purely passive, tracking market indices. It's also important to consider the role of technology in Spaceship's investment process. Their use of algorithms and data analysis allows for a more dynamic approach compared to purely passive strategies, even in their thematic portfolios. This technological integration can lead to quicker and more efficient adjustments to market conditions, which is a key aspect of active management. Ultimately, whether you prefer actively managed or passively managed investments depends on your individual investment goals, risk tolerance, and investment philosophy. Understanding the nuances of Spaceship's investment approach will help you make informed decisions about which portfolios align with your needs. When considering any investment platform, it's vital to research the specific portfolios you're interested in, understand their investment strategies, and assess the associated risks and fees. Don't rely solely on marketing materials. Dig deeper into the details to ensure you're making informed choices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.